Number 1. Walk with purpose and confidence. Ever notice how someone who walks with purpose instantly grabs your attention? That's because confident walking exudes charisma and magnetism. When you stride with determination, shoulders back and head held high, you not only attract attention but also convey assurance and self-belief. It's like saying, "I know where I'm going and I'm in control." And guess what? That's incredibly attractive. Confidence in your walk translates into confidence in your demeanor, making you more appealing to others, especially to potential romantic interests. It's not about rushing or appearing busy. It's about moving with intent and poise. So next time you're out and about, pay attention to how you walk. Are you slouching, shuffling your feet, or are you striding purposefully? Practice walking with confidence and watch how it positively impacts your interactions and how others perceive you. Number 2. Smile to encourage her. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to connect with someone and brighten their day. When you smile genuinely, you radiate warmth and approachability, making others feel comfortable and at ease in your presence. And when it comes to attracting women, a sincere smile can work wonders. A smile is like a universal language that transcends barriers and communicates friendliness and openness. Whether you're starting a conversation or simply passing by, flashing a friendly smile can leave a lasting impression. It shows that you're friendly, confident, and genuinely interested in engaging with others. So don't underestimate the power of a smile. It's not just about showing off your pearly whites. It's about spreading positivity and creating meaningful connections, one smile at a time. Number 3. Speak clearly, add inflection. Communication is key in any interaction, especially when it comes to making a positive impression. And part of effective communication is speaking clearly and with confidence. When you articulate your words distinctly and with proper inflection, you command attention and convey your message more effectively. Clear speech not only ensures that your message is understood, but also reflects your confidence and competence. It shows that you're thoughtful and intentional in your communication, which is highly attractive. Moreover, adding inflection to your voice can make your speech more engaging and dynamic, keeping your listener captivated and interested in what you have to say. So next time you find yourself in conversation, pay attention to your speech clarity and tone. Take a moment to enunciate your words and vary your pitch and tone to emphasize key points. You'll be surprised at how much more impactful your communication becomes and how positively it influences your interactions. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more psychology facts by commenting, "I am attractive." Number 4. Show your hands, build trust. Ever heard the saying, "Keep your hands where I can see them"? Well, there's a reason for that. Showing your hands during conversation not only builds trust, but also signals openness and honesty. When your hands are visible, it reassures the other person that you have nothing to hide and are genuinely engaged in the interaction. On the contrary, hiding your hands can create suspicion and discomfort, making it harder to establish rapport. So next time you're chatting with someone, resist the urge to tuck your hands away in your pockets or under the table. Instead, let your hands naturally accompany your words, using gestures to emphasize points and convey sincerity. By showing your hands, you not only build trust, but also enhance the overall quality of your communication. It's a simple yet powerful way to foster connections and make a positive impression on those around you. Number 5. Position yourself at angle. When it comes to body language, subtle shifts in positioning can make a world of difference. One effective technique is positioning yourself at an angle when engaging with someone, especially a woman. Instead of standing directly face to face, try positioning yourself slightly to the side. This subtle adjustment serves multiple purposes. First, it creates a more comfortable and less confrontational atmosphere, making the interaction feel more relaxed and natural. Second, it allows both parties to maintain personal space while still being engaged in the conversation. And finally, it subtly communicates confidence and respect for the other person's boundaries. Number 6. Improve posture, attract women. Believe it or not, your posture speaks volumes about you, and it can significantly impact how others perceive you, especially women. Good posture exudes confidence, poise, and self-assurance, all of which are highly attractive qualities. When you stand tall with your shoulders back and your head held high, you appear more confident. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you practice good posture, the more confident you become, and the more attractive you appear to others. Congratulations, you made it halfway through the video. Stay tuned and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. Number 7. Coordinate face and body language. Ever heard the phrase, "Actions speak louder than words"? Well, when it comes to communication, your body language often says more than your words ever could. That's why it's essential to ensure that your face and body language are in sync, especially when interacting with others, including women. Mismatched body language can send mixed signals and create confusion, undermining the effectiveness of your communication. So next time you're engaging in conversation, pay attention to your facial expressions, gestures, and posture, ensuring they align with the message you're trying to convey. For example, if you're discussing something exciting or positive, your facial expression should reflect that enthusiasm. Likewise, if you're trying to appear confident and assured, your body language should convey that same sense of confidence. By coordinating your face and body language, you'll communicate more effectively and make a stronger impression on those around you. Number 8. Imply availability. Check time. Here's a subtle yet effective body language trick. Subtly imply your availability by checking the time. When you glance at your watch or check your phone, it sends a signal that you have other engagements or commitments, making you appear more in demand and desirable. This simple gesture creates a sense of intrigue and mystery, piquing the other person's curiosity and making them more interested in engaging with you. It's like saying, "I have a life outside of this interaction," which can be incredibly appealing. So next time you're chatting with a woman, casually check the time or glance at your watch. It's a subtle way to imply your availability without explicitly stating it, leaving her wanting more and eager to spend more time with you. Number 9. Master eye contact game. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and when it comes to attraction, eye contact plays a significant role. Mastering the art of eye contact can instantly make you more attractive and appealing to women. When you maintain strong, confident eye contact, you demonstrate your attentiveness and interest in the other person. It shows that you're fully engaged in the conversation and genuinely interested in what they have to say, which can be incredibly flattering. But it's essential to strike the right balance. Avoid staring intensely, as it can come across as creepy or aggressive. Instead, aim for a natural, relaxed gaze, occasionally breaking eye contact to prevent it from feeling too intense. Number 10. Mirror her. Have you ever noticed yourself mimicking someone's gestures or body language during a conversation? That's called mirroring, and it's a powerful tool for building rapport and connection, especially with women. Mirroring involves subtly mimicking the other person's behavior, such as their gestures, posture, or speech patterns. It creates a sense of familiarity and similarity, making the other person feel more comfortable and connected to you. But it's essential to be subtle and natural in your mirroring. Avoid copying every move or gesture, as it can come across as insincere or mocking. Instead, focus on mirroring the other person's overall demeanor and energy, allowing for a genuine and authentic connection to develop. Number 11. Open body language speaks volumes. They say actions speak louder than words, and nowhere is that more true than in body language. The way you carry yourself can say a lot about you, especially when it comes to attracting women. Open body language exudes confidence, warmth, and approachability, making you more attractive and appealing to others. When you stand tall with your shoulders back, arms relaxed at your sides, and facing the other person directly, you signal that you're open to interaction and genuinely interested in engaging with them. On the other hand, closed-off body language, such as crossed arms or turned-away posture, can create barriers and signal disinterest or discomfort. So next time you're interacting with a woman, pay attention to your body language. Ensure that it's open, inviting, and congruent with your intentions, as it can significantly impact the success of your interactions and how you're perceived. There you have it, 11 body language tricks to make her chase you. Do you want to know the best psychology facts about human behavior? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.